Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to see a try on haul with me in this night dress, in this beautiful pajama which I love so much. It's cotton, breathable cotton with some polyester, with flower print, a little bit of abstraction happening here as a print with a little lace, and with little V neckline, and it's a little bit larger than my size, but I think it's quite cute. My mom said that it looks a little bit like it's for a princess, so I hope she's correct in this matter. Enjoy the view, enjoy this wonderful night dress. It's got also like a balloon sleeves, or I don't know how they're called, but they are a bit oversized, but they're comfortable. That's all that matters. I hope you like my rings too. Here's my tattoo with a kiss ring. And my wonderful watch, which makes me laugh every time I look at it, because it's a Minnie Mouse in here, Mickey Mouse. It makes me smile when I see it, when I check the time. Thank you very much for watching and having fun with me, and see you soon in the next couple of videos. Love you. Kiss everybody. See you.